Been a little negligent keeping up with the door repair. Thought I better stop and take a few pictures. Got all the doors, skins pried apart, all the old, what was left of the wood off of them. Trying to clean them up. I ended up actually sandblasting them very lightly to get down to as clean a fiberglass as I could. I don't know what kind of epoxy or what that they used originally to glue it together. Never really seen it. It's got to be some kind of epoxy, but it's really big, thick chunks. So I got all the loose off, and then I just brushed a new layer of resin over everything to kind of seal it in. And I went to the motorhome and made patterns of the arc of the door. The doors aren't flat, they're arced to match this radius of the motorhome. And the front and back are different. I guess the body tapers in. So I made new wood like supports. I've got to clamp them together and glue them and fit them, and there's a few cross supports and then a block where the lock is at on the door. So I've got a little bit more work to do. I'm going to kind of like build up a little frame, and I'll use a combination of, I guess, Duraglass Bondo and fiberglass resin and whatever. And I've got to add some the hole here in the door. That's not original. Something in there busted it out. They had like a little guide, which is missing. I'll have to find something that'll work for that, but it fits into a corresponding piece on the body. But anyway, I'm making headway. I've got to glue up all these bits and pieces. And I also went over and verified that both sides of the door, even though they're arced, are parallel to each other. So if as long as I glue the door together flat, it should seal up. So anyway, I'm going to start building the framework for the inside. When I get it all glued in there, I'll take another picture. Okay.